Let's see how to install a WhatsApp chat widget on your website, and from there you can actually start generating leads and new WhatsApp customer messages from your prospects and close more sales as well. So for example, here this is our website, and as you see here there is a WhatsApp chat widget right here, and if you click on this one, it will simply directly open your WhatsApp mobile app, or if you're on website you can also chat through WhatsApp web as well. So it actually provides a simple way for your customers to initiate a chat on your WhatsApp business account. So if you have a WhatsApp chatbot connected to your phone number, then any responses or questions or any messages sent by particular customers from your website will be instantly answered from there as well. So first of all, let's see how to actually add a WhatsApp chat widget to your website. For that, let's actually create a sample landing page. So here I'm in the flows, so let me name this one as WhatsApp chat widget and click continue. So here I'm going to add a landing page element right here. So landing page, and let me add a headline, and let me add the headline as this is your website. So let me add like this, and here you have to add a code for the WhatsApp chat widget to display. So you can add your code on your footer so that it can simply display on all the pages of your website, or if you want to add this on the home page or on a specific page, you can simply copy paste that particular code right there. So we have to get the code. So to get the specific chat widget code, go to the help center right here, and you can easily search as a WhatsApp chat widget, or let me search as WhatsApp chat widget for your website. As you see here, click on it, and here you have the code. Simply copy this one and simply paste that code right here. So here you have to actually change the phone number associated right there. So here if you see, you will actually see the instructions on how to change the phone number. So for example, so you have to locate the HTML anchor tag href, which actually start like this, and here this is denoted by the phone number, and here you have to change whatever the phone number to your business. So for example, here this is that particular href tag where we have this particular phone number, and here hi there, I have a question is the text message you can set right here. So you can also change that one as well. So here we have example customization. For example, if the phone number is this one, and if the initial message is hi, I have a query about your services, and you can simply update like this. So the %20 is there just to denote the spaces between each of these words. Simple as that. So here you can actually update your phone number and whatever the message you want to have right there. So once you updated it, you can simply publish it, and here if I click on like this, or you can actually get a published link and paste right here, and here it says this is your website and this is the chat widget. So they can simply click on this chat widget and initiate a chat message or WhatsApp message to your business. And as I mentioned, if you have the AI activated, then it simply answer as well. So here how to activate the AI for your WhatsApp messages. So simple as that. So here let me show how to do that by using a free template. So here we have all free templates, AI chatbot lead generation right here. So here you can simply use this particular free template. So here we have instruction on how to set this up. So in this business information right here, you can simply update whatever the business information about your specific business. So here we have some company information about Smile Center for Kids. So likewise, you can actually update whatever the business information about your business and set this particular flow. So you have to actually set this particular flow as the default template. So let me see if we have set that correctly. So go to the settings over here, and in settings you have to set that particular flow. Alright, it's already set up. So now if a particular customer send any sort of WhatsApp messages by clicking on the chat widget, then it will actually send automated responses using the AI. So let me show that how this actually works. So instead of clicking through the website, I'm simply going to initiate the chat right here by scanning this particular QR code on my mobile. Shows the chat on the mobile WhatsApp. So here if I send a message hi, and let's see how this actually respond to us right here. So it simply respond to us right there. about the Simile Center for Kids. So if I ask any sort of question, what is the address, it simply will respond to us over here. So you can even send voice notes as well. So I'm just wondering how to get special discounts. So let me send this message about asking special discounts, and let's see how this actually respond to us over here. And it says, as you already signed up for the newsletter, you will receive special updates on special discounts and VIP offers, because this particular person has already signed up for the newsletter. Otherwise it will simply ask them to provide their name, email and phone number. So that's a quick video on how you can actually add a WhatsApp chat for your website and have AI there to respond to any sort of questions and do lead generation over there. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.